Dear students, today we are going to learn about the decimal numbers. Okay, not only decimal numbers. We have to learn about the addition of decimal number. Firstly, we will be discussing about addition of decimal number. Uh, about the addition of decimal number, like in whole number system, we have to consider the place of the digits. For example, suppose 2.3 and 0.07, we have to add this. If we are not considering about the place, then we will get the wrong answer. Maybe 2.3 and you may put 7007 here decimal, and 7 plus 3 10, carry over 1 and 2 2. In this way you may add, that is blunder. So about the place value, not place of the digits, decimal number you have to find, and the solution is, first of all, write this 2.3. then you have to consider the position of 7. What is the position of 7? The position of 0 is 10th, position of 7 is 100th. So what is the position of 3? 10th. So 10th tens you have to arrange vertically. We have to arrange vertically. So put here 0, and here is nothing, you can put here 7. Decimal place is here 0. If nothing is there after the decimal number, you can put directly 0. That is valueless. So now 7 plus 0 is 7, 3 itself 3, 2 plus 0 is 2. Then we will obtain that result. Let's discuss another example. Example number 2. Suppose we need to add 0.125, 2.23 and 412.5. It's very interesting question. So in this case we have to add in this way, dear students. First, any one number you can write, 0.125. now let's observe the another number. What is the position or place of this? This is ones place. So before the decimal you have to write 2, because this is in ones place. Here like a 0, this is in one place, and 2, what is the place of these 2? Tens. So you have to write here tens. What is the place of 3? Place of 3? Hundredth. You have to write here hundreds. And is there in thousands place? Nothing. So you can put 0. And moving to the next number, dear students, how many decimal numbers are here? Only one. What is the position of that? Tens. So write down 5 in this, in the vertical line of the tens place, and there are no numbers in hundredth and thousandth place, but we have whole numbers here, 412. So what is the place of 2? Ones. You can put here ones. What is the place of 1? That is 10th. You can write in left side of that number, and again 4 in another left side. Yes, left side of 1. In this way you have to add them. 500 is 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 8. Put decimal as it is. 2 plus 2 plus 0 is 4, 1 itself 1 and 4. In this way we can add the decimal number. Now, dear students, we have to discuss about the subtraction of decimal number. Subtraction of decimal number. In this subtraction part also we have to line up the number as their place. According to their place we have to line up the numbers. So let me take an example. Suppose subtract we have given 0.3 from 0.57. Suppose we have this given this question. Now the solution is, first remember about lineup. As in a school, you have to remember about lineup in the same line according to their place. In school, we make the line according to the class, but in the subtraction of decimal, we should make the line according to the, we have to line up according to their place. So bigger one is this 0.57, you have to write, and so we have to subtract 0.3. What is the place of 3? Tens. So what is the place, which number is in tens place in the given number? 5. So you have to line up with 5. Here is nothing, put 0. Here is also nothing, put 0. So you have to subtract this. 707. 5 minus 3 is 2. Decimal is for 0, 0. And we will obtain this. Sometimes we can check whether our answer is right or wrong. You have to add these two. Yes, 0.30 and 0.27. We have to add them. This is checking. 7, 5, decimal number 0. So we obtained 0.57 as the answer. That is a right answer. We have to subtract in this way. Let's check another example also, dear students. We have to subtract 0.001 from 0.1. Very interesting question. The solution is, first you have to write 0.1. You have to subtract 0.001. 0.001. You can put here 2 zeros, no problem with that. So now subtract 10 minus 1 is 9. Here 9 minus 0 is 9. 1 is gone. 0 and 0. In this way we find 0.099. It's right or wrong, we can check. Yes, 0.001 plus 0.099. 9 plus 1 is 10, carry over 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, 0, carry over 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, 0. We obtain this result. So that this is the correct answer. Dear students, we are discussing about multiplication. About multiplication of decimal numbers, we have to consider about the paisa, rupees, like that. Yeah, it's about the money as well. So let's check another example. Suppose we have given 3 5 rupee notes. Suppose we have given this, then what can we do? 3 5 rupees note, 1 5 rupees note, 2 5 rupees note, 3 5 rupees note. So the solution is 3 times 5 equal to 15. Therefore the value is Rs 15. If you have 3 5 rupees note, then you have rupees 15. In this way you have to solve the remaining question. Now let me read out and let me solve another questions of multiplication, dear students. Suppose we have given 850 Rs 850 rupees 85 paisa times 7. Suppose we have to multiply that. Is like a whole number system, we can multiply. 7 5s are 35, carry over 3, 8 7 7 8s are 56, 57, 58, 59, and decimal carry over 5, 7 zeros are 0 plus 5 is 5, 7 5s are 35, carry over 3, 7 8s are 56, 57, 58, 59. In this way we can multiply the numbers. It's not the difficult task, but dear students, Word problems or multiplication is interesting one. We have to solve the word problems of multiplication. Word problems of the multiplication. Word problems of the multiplication. About the word problems of the multiplication, dear students, suppose a question is of pen cost Rs 12 rupees 50 paisa. Find the cost of 8 such pens. Interesting. Before starting this question, dear students, I will make you clear about the concept. About the concept, here is only one item, here are more items. So if you have given the price of one item, and you need to find the price of more items, then you have to multiply. Operation is multiplication. I mean, if the cost of a book is 50 rupees, how many what is the cost of such 3 books? Let's think. 50 one book, 50 next book, and 50 the last book. 3 books, 150. So we can, this way we can add, we can find, but we have to multiply 50 times 3, it will be Rs 150, because the multiplication is the short form of addition. Yes, so short form of addition. 50 plus 50, if you have only 3 you can add, but more than 3 what can we do? It's very difficult. If you have 16, then 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus, it's very difficult. Yeah, so that 50 multiplies 16 easily you can find. So multiplication is the short form of addition. So to make it short, 50 times 3 is 150. So if you have given a price, you have given the price of a item, and you need to find the price of more than unit, more than one, then you have to multiply. Okay, so one price, single price given, many price of many items we have to find. In that case we have to multiply. Let's check an example. Question is, find the cost of 10 erasers. If an eraser cost Rs 5 rupees 20 paisa. Yes, the solution is cost of an eraser equal to Rs 5 rupees 20 paisa. Cost of 10 erasers equal 5 rupees 20 paisa times 10, and then Rs. Oh, 0 times all 0. Yeah, 0 to the 0 0 0, 0 to the 0 0, 5 the 0, 1 all 1, 0 to 5, then 0 0 to 5. So how many decimal numbers are here? 2. So count and write here decimal number and put the decimal as much as the decimal numbers are there, or from the right count the decimal numbers, and after the decimal numbers you can put decimals. 2 decimal numbers are here, there must be 2, so that it becomes 52.2. Therefore the cost of 10 erasers equal to rs 52. In this way we can develop the concept of multiplication word problems. Now finally about division of word problems. Say word problems under division. Before that, including the money, about money. So dear students, suppose we have given a question. I will start from question. 5 pens cost Rs 85 rupees 50 paisa. Find the cost of one pen. It's interesting question. In multiplication, cost of one item will be given. One given, many items we have to find. But in division, many given, many to one. So if you have to find if you have given many items cost and you need to find one item cost, it will be less. Many to small, many is big, one is less, so we need to divide. So the solution will be 5 pens cost equal to Rs 85 rupees 50 paisa. 1 pen cost equal to Rs 85 rupees 50 paisa by 5. You may divide in this way. 85.50 by 5. 5 1s are 5, and the remainder is 3. Bring down 5. 5 7 the 35. 0. Now put decimal and bring down decimal numbers. That is 5 1s are 5. 0. Again bring down another number. 0. 5 zeros are 0. So no remainder. Therefore the cost of one pen equal to Rs 70 rupees 10 paisa. In this way we can solve conceptually the word problems under division as well.